Hello guys, I am Tanya. Welcome back. Today we discuss about how to create a Wix website. How to create a website using Wix in 2021 step-by-step guide. If you want to build a website using Wix, you are in the right place. Listen carefully. Wix is a simple drag and drop website that make it easy for everyone to quick build a website without any coding or designing skill. Even though Fix is so easy to use, it can be intimidating when you are just getting started, especially if you are never made a website before. So I created this step-by-step guide for beginners to talk you through the whole process. In this video, we are going to cover number one, signing up with Wix. Number two, choosing a template for your Wix site. Number three, introducing the Wix site builder. Number four, using Wix artificial design intelligence known as ADI. Number five, customizing your Wix site. Number six is publishing your Wix site. Number seven, and the last, probably last, number seven, managing and updating your Wix website. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.